So today, in my adventures, we're going to be going over the piece of equipment I'm operating today. And today, that is a John Deere 110 backhoe. I'm going to show you real quickly how we operate this sucker. And yes, it is the four-wheel drive version, which I think most of them are, but little tiny backhoe. We're not going to be operating the backhoe part today, just the front bucket. So we're going to climb on into the operator position here. There's the view. So first off is this is your brake. Now there's a little latch right there that you can undo and independently operate your brakes. So if you hit that side, if they were unhooked, it would stop that tire and that tire would continue to move. Very nice if you're working in tight confined spaces. And then obviously this steering wheel, and then you have your go forward and go back. Ignore all that junk. Now we're going to move over to the left hand side of the operator position, and these are your pretty much three main gears. You've got A, which is slower than snot. You got your neutral, your B, which is a little faster, and C, which is go fast. And those you would do with the breakdown, by the way, if the tractor were on, if you wanted to move that. Anyway, and then right here, this orange handle, that is your parking brake. Moving over to the right hand side of the control position, you have the joystick that operates the bucket attachment. Now, we don't have fancy buckets, so these buttons aren't going to be used. These are auxiliary for the bucket. So I'll show this when it's operating, if you can hear me. That'll be a big if. Now those, we're not going to use those. Those controls have to do with this guy back there. Then you have your throttle here, and then your key. And with all the cobwebs, you have your gauges. Más importante. That is your PTO, and then controls for your lights. We're gonna keep those off. So, I'm gonna start the tractor. Put your foot on the parking brake's on, but still, I always put my foot down. All right, we have ignition. Release the parking brake, and we're going to lift the bucket by pulling back. And it's that easy. Push it back down, push it down, up, down, and then you go to the left on the joystick. It brings the bucket up, so once again, left, bucket up, and right to bring it back. So we're going to put it back up, and that way. And yeah, that's very easy tractor to operate. Take a foot off the brake there, give her a little throttle,